Hi, this is Heather with Ryan SEO and Digital Marketing. I know you're busy, so I don't want to take up too much of your time. This is a free marketing audit to help you get more traffic into your website and help you get to the first page on Google. I'll go over 3 tricks to help you get there. The first thing we're going to look at is content. So Google likes to see around 1,500 words or more on your homepage. And right now you're sitting at just a little over 2,300, which is awesome. Another cool little trick is to go in here and save your images as keywords. This will help you get ranked faster and better on Google. So whenever you do go to Google and you look for appliance repair Oklahoma City, Arrow Appliance Repair is #1 organically ranked. So right now they only have 483 words on their homepage, and they also don't have their images saved as keywords. Bob's Appliance Repair is #2 organically ranked, and they only have 269 words on their homepage, and they also don't have their images saved as keywords. So I wanted to do a little bit more digging on why you weren't outranking these people. And so I went ahead and went on the back end of every website. So we use a tool called Ahrefs. We use it to track our trust flow, power flow, backlinks, organic keywords, and organic traffic. So our trust flow and our power flow is graded on a scale of 100, and we like to see it at a 1-to-1 ratio. Both of these are powered by your backlinks, and not all backlinks are created equal. So there's going to be some that give you more trust flow than power flow, and vice versa. So I did see that your website was was about 7 years old. So I would highly suggest going in there and getting more backlinks and making sure that they're good quality backlinks as well. Organic keywords, you're sitting at 195, and it's only bringing you 54 people per month to your website. So I would definitely highly suggest going in there and optimizing your keywords as well. Arrow Appliance Repair is sitting at a 24 and a 0.2, which definitely isn't even, and they only have 332 backlinks as well. So a cool thing is that if they do have some good quality backlinks, is that we can actually go in here and grab those for you with leaving the bad ones behind. Right now they're sitting at 263 keywords for their website, and it's bringing them 406 people per month. So they're definitely optimizing out their keywords very well. Also, again, with them, their website is about 7 years old as well. And a lot of times whenever you see websites, that are that age, their backlinks are in the thousands. So I just want to let you know that even though they have 332 backlinks, it should be absolutely no problem to just blow them out of the water. Bob's Appliance Repair is sitting at a 1 and a 0.2, which is probably why they're ranked so high, is because this is even though it's not very high. They have 209 backlinks, and they have 141 keywords, which is bringing them 142 people per month to their website. And again, with them, it is an older website, and they only have 209 backlinks. So this should give you a good overview on how easy it'll be to blow your competition out of the water. Okay, so we're going to go into citations just a little bit. Citations are any time that your business name, number, and website are listed on a website such as Facebook, YouTube, Yellow Pages, and Yelp. Citations mainly help your Google My Business on the Google Map Pack ranking. So it looks like #1 and 2 that are ranked on that are sitting at 27 citations apiece. So the Mr. Appliance of Oklahoma City is #1, and this All Pro Appliance Repair of Oklahoma City is #2. Right now it looks like you only have 7 citations. So it should be fairly easy to get more of those put on there. That way your Google My Business gets ranked higher as well. I did want to see where you were on rankings on the Google Map Pack, and it does look like you're towards the bottom of page 7. So I would highly suggest going in there, making sure that everything is optimized out to the best of its ability. It's hard to say exactly what all needs to be optimized without having access to this, but I would highly encourage that as well. Okay, so I know we just went over a lot of information, and we do highly encourage you taking it and running with it. but we also understand that as business owners and managers that you guys' time is extremely stretched. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call or text me, whichever is more convenient for you. My number is 405-439-7887. This is Heather Ryan, and I'm with Ryan SEO and Digital Marketing. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.